you see? Do you see a bumper? What is up, everybody, man? Welcome back to the channel. What we're gonna be getting into today, man, we are gonna be getting into disconnecting some of this stuff on this motor so we can get this thing up out of here. I'm giving myself a little deadline, and yeah, we're gonna be trying to get this thing up out of here. I want to get the old motor out. I want to get the LS up in there. I really want to get this thing crunked before the 27th. So y'all gonna be seeing videos back to back to back of me getting this out. So with that being said, man, and this is how I'm doing it. Y'all ain't got to do it how I do it. This is how I'm doing it. But we're gonna be I'm already gonna be taking some of this stuff out. Take that out. I'm just taking the whole thing because I ain't gonna be. If somebody want this motor, I have everything to the motor if y'all want it. Right there. Yes, sir. Getting this stuff up out of here. To tell you the truth, I don't remember this stuff coming out that easy unless I didn't put everything back to where it was supposed to be. But it's all good. I knew I was gonna be taking that thing out anyway, so yeah. With all that space, I'm gonna be get some grounds. Alright, that cable. Mugging a long bed, square body. But gonna be now I don't know most of these sensors all I'm doing is just getting everything taken off to get it ready to get it taken off. Yeah. Right now, I'm just taking little bitty sensors off here and there, y'all. So please just bear with me, y'all. Some of this stuff, you know, you can get it off with your fingers. That's done. What we're gonna do is just slide these out. No. I gotta get that off. Give me just a second. Cause I didn't think I was gonna have to use a bunch of tools this time, but gotta get that throttle body taken off. And we're gonna be getting some of this stuff taken off so I can get most of these wires undid. But yeah, this is just getting started, y'all. I had got some work done to my hand, so I'm kind of man, look at this, man. Kind of cool. Them are sitting on the top. But yeah, I'm gonna that's off. I'm gonna get some stuff, get that off. But yeah, y'all, this is just getting started on the deconstruction of getting everything unplugged, y'all. So all I ask is y'all bear with me, and you know, if y'all got some tips and tricks and stuff, you know, please, you know, y'all can shoot them to me, man. It's my first time ever doing something like this, so anything is greatly appreciated. So I'm gonna get back with you, cause it's finna storm, y'all. So I'm trying to get this. And before y'all say, how come you ain't go in the garage? The truck was already down anyway because of a charging situation. So with that being said, the truck is gonna be sitting outside right where it sits, and probably on the next video or whatnot. I actually got some parts for this, and I'm gonna be taking this out, cleaning it up. I got the bolt so I could turn it over to make sure it ain't seized up or anything like that. And yeah, we gonna be getting back to the LS too, because like I said, if I'm doing the work on this, then that mug got to be ready to get up in here, and we're gonna get it, y'all. We're gonna get it. So like I said, man, this is just a little start video on what we got going. Yeah, I'm gonna be taking these wires, hoses apart, and I don't know on the refrigerant in this stuff yet, but like I said, we gonna get it did, and we're gonna have everything hopefully on this mug. Look, if I can't get this mug running, I at least want to have this mug, the LS, in the truck by this date. That's with my work schedule, that's with everything. So with that being said, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. We're gonna be getting back to this thing. This is just day one. So hey, this is one day or day one. So this is the day one, y'all. So let's get it, man.